Hi DIYers, Joey from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about using a DSC wireless keypad with your IQ2 Panel Plus. Now, for this keypad to work with your system, your IQ2 panel will need to support PowerG devices. Let's take a look at the keypad and the box. Here's the box for the keypad, fairly basic, looks nice, and here's the keypad itself. It's a fairly generic DSC keypad. It's got the push buttons on the bottom and a 2-line LCD on the top. Now, there likely isn't going to be a situation where you have an IQ2 panel installed and you're going out to buy DSC products. The reason being is that you're not going to get all of your features on this keypad with the panel that you would from like an IQ remote, for example. That'll show you all of the different statuses and allow you to do different things with the system. All this keypad is going to do is show you the arming status of the system. The situation that this would happen where you have a DSC keypad with an IQ2 panel is that you had a DSC system installed previously, you went to upgrade to an IQ2 panel, and you were trying to figure out which devices were compatible with the system. The one nice thing about this keypad with the IQ2 is that it is a PowerG device, so you are going to get that super far range of operability with it and the system. And as it's kind of a basic keypad, this could make sense if you have a utility room or a shack somewhere that's far away from your system and you just want to put in something that's functional and works for what you're looking to do. But again, definitely check out the offerings that Qolsys has as far as keypads go first, because you're going to have a better experience with those keypads than you would with this one, for the simple reason that they're made to work with the system and you're going to get more out of them. But for a keypad that just arms and disarms the system and shows a system status, this does work great. Now let's go into how to enroll it to the panel. Very simple. On the keypad itself, you'll see that it says hold 1 and star to enroll the keypad. It's as easy as that. We just have to go into the sensor programming on our system,
select ARM system type,
enable the learn mode, and then we'll be able to learn in the keypad. So we slide down from the top, do settings, advanced settings,
enter user code
2222, installation, devices, security sensors, and then auto learn sensor. So now the system's in learn mode. So on the keypad, I'm just going to press and hold 1 and star. And there we go. That just learned in. I'm going to click OK to confirm, and here's where you can set up the keypad. The sensor group, this is an important one: fixed intrusion, mobile intrusion, and fixed silent. This is telling the system if the keypad is going to have a silent police panic, an audible police panic, and if it's going to be supervised or not. On the side where it says sensor name, we can name the keypad, we can change the chime type, and you're going to want to make sure that the source is PowerG, as this is a PowerG keypad. I'm going to click Add New.
sensor added successfully.
There you go. We have successfully added our keypad to the system. If I go back to the home menu on our panel, I should be able to arm the system using the keypad. So on our keypad, it shows system is ready to arm. I should be able to arm it using the keypad. I'm going to press and hold stay.
Pin pad arm stay.
And we heard the system confirm that. It said the pin pad has arm stay, and on the keypad we see that it does say system armed in stay mode. So our keypad was successfully programmed to the panel. If you do have any questions about adding a DSC keypad to your IQ2, the IQ2 panel, or alarm questions in general, feel free to give us a call at 888-818-7728. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or head to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below, and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.